what's the opportunity and the growth in this industry? Like, for example, I'll tell you one thing is like, अभी पहले मतलब कैसा था, होटल रेस्टोरेंट में विल गो देन सिट, मतलब वहां बैठ के आराम से खाते थे with the parents and family, friends, whatever. And then it changed to like घर पे बुलाते, like home delivery, and then food truck. Like how it's going to be the next 5-10 years?
You know, this is not me who's saying this, but this is what HT Mint says. HT Mint says that the cloud kitchen industry is supposed to grow 5 times in the next 5 years. Now, come to think of it, 5 times is basically 500% growth, which is 100% year-on-year growth. Now, my point of telling you this is that this is the only industry, including a pharmaceutical and a PPE, which is personal protective equipment industry, which is growing at that particular pace. There is no other industry growing at that particular pace right now. It is also pegged to be a $1 billion market by the end of 2021, which is less than a year. Now, $1 billion is actually 7,500 crores. Yeah. Now, imagine the kind of market size I'm trying to tell you. Now, while I say that, I also want to bring in a caution that all that glitters is not gold. I want to just give you a practicality that the market is huge, the potential is there, everything is there. That's why we are having this discussion right now. But the point is, it needs some fundamental basis of running and starting this business. Otherwise, there's no point, like I said, right? But it is, like I said, it's the fastest growing industry in current times, and there's an opportunity for everyone. If he actually follows the right steps of starting this particular business. That's what I can say.